Good morning, students. Today is our second experiment. The aim of the experiment is to determine the concentration in terms of the molarity of KMnO4 solution by titrating it against standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulphate. So, ferrous ammonium sulphate is our standard solution which we are going to prepare, and we will titrate it against KMnO4 solution. So, the theory says that the substances which are occur purely in the nature, they are used to prepare the standard solution by dissolving of definite mass in the definite amount of water. So, the molar mass of the ferrous ammonium sulphate is 392 gram per mole. This experiment involved two steps. First step is preparation of standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulphate. So, molar mass of ferrous ammonium sulphate, it is called as the Mohr salt, it is 392 gram per mole. For 100 ml, 1 molar Mohr salt required 392 gram of Mohr salt. Here we are preparing 0.1 molar Mohr salt. So, we will take it in 100 ml. So, the calculation will be this, and we have to take 3.92 gram of ferrous ammonium sulphate in 100 ml of water. So, let us see how to prepare the standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulphate. Okay. So, on a watch glass we have taken 3.92 gram of ferrous ammonium sulphate. We will take this in a beaker, then wash the watch glass with the distilled water and transfer this washing to the beaker, then add little distilled water and dissolve the ferrous ammonium sulphate completely. Now we have to make 100 ml solution. So, just take less amount of water in the beaker, up to 50 ml. Once it completely dissolves, transfer this into the volumetric flask, 100 ml of volumetric flask with the help of funnel. Now add distilled water slowly up to this mark. Okay. So, you have to maintain the lower meniscus of this mark. So, this is our standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulphate. Our second step is to determine the molarity of KMnO4 solution by the standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulphate. For this, we have taken a burette here, 20 ml of burette here, 25 ml burette. Wash this burette with the KMnO4 solution, then fill this burette Now, see, you have to fill this burette complete here. So, remove the bubble if any bubble is there. Up to 0 mark. See, up to 0 mark you have to fill this burette. Okay. Then second step is you have to pipette out 10 ml of ferrous ammonium sulphate from this volumetric flask. This is 10 ml ferrous ammonium sulphate. Add it in a clean conical flask. Then to this conical flask we have to add 1 test tube of dilute sulfuric acid. It will make the solution clear. Then drop by drop we will add ferrous ammonium sulfate, and let's see. By continuous shaking we will add 1 drop of KMnO4 solution. Okay, now the color is not disappear after the shaking. Okay, so this is our first reading. It is 1.8. Now second reading, 10 ml of ferrous ammonium sulfate. One test tube of dilute sulfuric acid. Again drop by drop, by continuous shaking add KMnO4 solution. Okay, see, dark. So this color does not appear after continuous shaking. So this is our second reading. It is 1.9. Okay, so this is a faint pink color which does not appear after shaking. So this reading is 1.9. Observation, first solution in burette KMnO4, solution by a pipette ferrous ammonium sulfate 10 ml, solution in a conical flask KMnO4 plus ferrous ammonium sulfate plus H2SO4. Indicator H2SO4, endpoint is our 1.9 ml. Okay, so observation table, first pilot reading was 1.9 to 1.8, first burette reading was 1.8, second was 1.9 and third was 1.9. So our constant burette reading is 1.9 ml. Okay, next part is calculation. This is our chemical reaction. See, here 2 moles of KMnO4 are there and 10 moles of ferrous ammonium sulfate is there. Now 2 into 158, 158 is the molar mass of KMnO4 is equal to 10 moles of Mohs salt. Now Mohr salt, the molar mass of the Mohr salt is 316 gram of KMnO4. Therefore 10 ml of 0.1 molar Mohr salt, we have taken 10 ml in the pipette. So 10 ml of 0.1 molar Mohr salt which we have prepared is contain 0.06 or 0.0316 gram of KMnO4. Now 1.9 ml which was our burette reading, constant burette reading, that 1.9 ml of KMnO4 solution contains this moles of KMnO4. So 1000 ml of KMnO4 contains 0.01 molar of KMnO4. So the molarity of KMnO4 solution is 0.1 molar and it is proved. Thank you.